Alright, I put $40 of free play in here with my 100. Try a VGT. See if we have any luck on those today. Alright, good. Now can we get a red screen? Come on, go red. Let's try betting 2, see if we can get a red screen. Oh, cherry. How about now? All right. Nice one. Almost a double up. Give me mixed bars or something. Double me up right here. How about now? Somebody's got the bells ringing. Right, let's keep it going. Cherry, cherry, cherry. Where's the cherry? Oh, we only need one. Oh, something here. Oh, how about now? Yes, I did it. Got my double up. All right, I'm gonna cash that out. All right, I am at high winds. I'm gonna try my $100 in Neptune. Do pennies. Do a $1.50 bet. Just gonna do a few spins, see if it's wanting to give me a bonus. That major is pretty nice. All right, nice. That's awesome. Land something good. Uh-oh. Come on, Neptune, land something. Oh no. Alright, last chance. Okay, come on, Neptune. Don't shake your head no. Alright. Good. Give me a wheel spin. That's it? Okay. Alright, well, at least I got the bonus. Alright. I'm happy to have a bonus. keep playing? Yeah, I guess I'll play it down to my 100. It's probably not going to give me another bonus, but it might. Give it a chance. 2 more? Nope. Alright, come on, Neptune. We got a few more spins here. Oh, just needed one more of those. And a couple more spins. Let's go, Neptune. Alright, last spin. Well, shoot. Got a bonus though. That was good. Fun. I'll try something else with my 100. Alright, I'm going to try Wolf Peak. Somebody's got a loud machine back there. Let's see, $1.60 bet. $100 in. I'm going to have to raise my volume here. Can't hear it. I've never had a bonus on this game. How about give me a bonus? Okay, I can't even talk. That machine's so loud. Can't even hear myself think. Alright, I'll play it down to 70. And last spin. Okay, so my last machine here at High Winds is going to be this diamond hunt, jewel hunt game. $1. See if we can catch the diamond. Take my card. Take my card. Okay, try again. There we go. Come on, drop that diamond. All right, 11 spins left. have been there. The pattern was there. It didn't hit. There we got a red screen. There we got it that time. Sweet. Alright. That was a nice hit. Oh, I thought the diamond was going to drop on that one. Come on, diamond. How about here? Nice hit. Need that diamond though. Got a red screen. Alright, double red. Oh, you could have been right up there. Alright, back over 100. Nice. Go red. There we go. Big spars. Do something right there. All right. There we go. Nice one. Very nice. Drop that jewel. Oh. gonna be 60 maybe? Oh, nice. Oh yeah, I doubled my money. Alright, you know what? I think that looks like a great place to stop. I'm gonna cash it out. Thank you, High Winds.